Why Lakshmi Vilas Bank Limited put under moratorium. Reserve Bank of India imposed a 30-day moratorium on Lakshmi Vilas Bank Limited and proposed a draft scheme for its amalgamation with DBS Bank India. Putting under moratorium means temporary suspension of activities. Reason behind putting LVB under moratorium. For the last 3 years, the bank had been posting continuous losses. Its NPA started to mount, leading to a situation of capital erosion. The bank was placed under prompt corrective action since September 2019. In the absence of any viable alternative, the Government of India, in consultation with the Reserve Bank of India, has placed LVB under moratorium for a period of 30 days till 16th December 2020 as per the provisions of Section 45 of Banking Regulation Act 1949. Also under Section 35A of Banking Regulation Act 1949, LVB shall not make any investment, incur any liability, make payments to depositors exceeding rupees 25,000 and dispose of any properties, etc. Major issues faced by old generation private banks. Most of the banks do not have strong promoters. It is leading to mergers or forced amalgamation of the banks. LVB, S Bank and Punjab and Maharashtra Cooperative Bank are coping up with such type of issues. Why does promoters matter for a bank? Promoters play an important role in raising money for the banks, pledging of promoters' shares when they want to expand their operation. They exercise their control by making key decisions about the banks. However, absolute authority of the promoters can also result in autocracy. Lakshmi Vilas Bank Limited. The Lakshmi Vilas Bank Limited was formed by a group of 7 businessmen in the year 1926. It had its registered office at Karur and its headquartered at Chennai. The bank was incorporated under the Indian Companies Act 1913 during the British rule in the nation. In 1958, it became a scheduled commercial bank by obtaining a license from RBI. It has a presence all over the country.